Are you having difficulty shifting your gear? It could be due to a very simple reason, which I found out today. If you can locate the clutch cable, just have to trace your clutch and then look for something like this. It's a cable with an end adjustable nut. Check and see if it's as loose as mine. You can see my clutch pedal is pretty loose. All you need to do is just tighten up the clutch cable puller, screw up all the way to the limit without force, and make sure not to over tighten the nut, as it may wear out the clutch. To prevent it from coming loose again, you could get another nut to tighten it in the opposite directions between the nuts. That will hold the puller in place for longer. Then test and see if it's easier to shift gears now. If it's still not easy to shift, then you may have other issues.